Good morning! Who's ready for a new kindness mission?
Mom, look! We have so many storybooks. This is my reading fort. Quiet, but fun.
Books can be shared too, just like toys.
Can we take books to Sunshine Home today?
Yes! We'll share books and read together.
Books are like magic, but quiet magic. We can pick easy books with big pictures.
Great idea! Neat books feel special and new.
Did someone say books? I'm the funny voice expert.
Dad, please don't scare the kids. Only funny.
Only funny. My voices are 100% friendly.
I'm packing crayons. We can draw after reading.
Good thinking. Art helps us learn words too.
These are easy. These are harder. Easy first.
Yes, start simple. That builds confidence.
Ta-da! Welcome to the Story Treasure Box.
Books in, stories ready to travel. Slow, Dad. Stories are fragile, like cookies.
Nice and easy. Safety first, smiles always.
Crayons, paper, and my best smile. Ready. Mission shoes on. Let's go!
Storybox arriving at the trunk station. Perfect! No book gets squished on my watch.
Rule today. Gentle hands, kind words, good listening.
Seatbelts on. Ready for a reading day.
Captain Dad driving smooth and safe.
Today we share stories and time.
Welcome to the Super Story Show!
Noah, remember. Quiet voices for reading.
Copy that. Quiet hero voices only.
I can't wait to read with Lily.
Remember, we share, we listen, we encourage.
Next stop, Sunshine Home!
Reading day, here we come. Hi, friends. We brought stories today.
Welcome back. The children were waiting for you. Today we brought books and a reading surprise.
Story treasure box delivered, handle with giggles.
Yay! Friends are here. What did you bring? We brought picture books. Let's read together.
Let's make a story circle right there.
This corner will be perfect for reading.
Mia, can I sit next to you for the story? Yes, Lily. Friends sit together.
Noah, am I holding it the right way?
Yes. Turn pages slowly, like this.
After reading, art time! My favorite subject.
We wanted to share time, not just things.
Story time! Story time! We're ready! Look! A cat! The cat is smiling.
Repeat after me. The cat is happy.
The cat is happy!
Meow. I am a happy cat. Thank you, friends.
Listening is kindness too. Great job, everyone.
Game time! Guess the picture. Fast. Is it a lion? I'm ready! Yes! It's a lion. Big and strong.
Lion. Roar! Please share and be kind. Roar!
The lion is funny.
Repeat. Big lion. Small mouse.
Big lion, small mouse. I did it! Can I draw the lion? I love lions.
Yes. Draw it big and extra friendly.
Color game. Who has blue? Show me.
I have blue. I have red.
Great speaking. Colors are fun English words.
Let's draw a heart. Heart means love. Look! My heart is pink, like happiness.
I think I'm learning English too. Blue is my favorite.
You brought learning and laughter. Thank you.
Max, your lion is awesome. It looks kind.
My lion says, "Be my friend."
Repeat. I can read. I can learn. I can read. I can learn. Mia, reading with you made me brave.
Friends, it's almost time to say goodbye.
I don't want to stop. Story time is so nice.
Max, next time we do a bigger story game?
Bye-bye! Come read with us again!
Thank you. Today was full of learning and love.
Goodbye, Lily. See you soon. Mom, sharing stories feels warm inside.
Because you shared time. Time is a gift.
I learned new words. Big, small, and together.
And you helped others feel brave to read.
Kind words can be shared like books.
Mom, next time, can we read 2 stories?
2 stories and 1 extra funny voice. Deal?
Reading together is my new superpower.